We are in Food Network Studios today, where we are going to attempt to tell the difference between generic and name brand foods.
Let's do this.
Not very flavorful.
These ones are fluffier.
I honestly don't know.
Winner, winner. Cereal dinner.
Hi, I'm here for brand name cereal. I think this is the brand name cereal.
I'm gonna go with Zach and copy him.
Correct.
Yeah!
Yes!
They taste very similar, but I think the right seems a little airier.
That's how you feel about the left.
I'll agree to disagree.
Yeah! I think this is the one.
I'm gonna go for the right first.
All right, I'm gonna go for the left.
Salty.
I mean, it just tastes like potato chips.
Like classic potato chip flavor.
Salty, potatoey, crispity, crunchy.
Better.
He's even less salty.
This
I don't
one's
know.
crispier and a little thicker. This one was thinner.
I thought the opposite. I thought the first one
Really?
was a
Let me
little
try
thicker.
again.
Had a nice crack. That one had like a nicer crack.
I think the right one is the name brand.
I think I agree with you.
So I think this one is generic.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think the second one is the generic brand.
Jordan, you're right.
Yes!
Oh!
Correct.
Yes!
Okay, so we're going with right. The more fry tasting is the name brand.
No.
Left is generic.
Oh
my gosh.
Jeez.
Am I gonna lose my job if I get all these wrong?
Before I even bite into it, I could tell like it's way too crunchy. Definitely generic.
I know you can't see what I'm doing, Maggie, but I'm trying to twist the cookie wafers apart, and the one on the left is not budging. So I feel like
really?
that's a clear indication.
This is the real deal.
Yeah, I mean, like my teeth feel it.
This is where it's at.
It's just denser, the one on the left.
It's a classic taste, and I think the right one for sure
Yeah.
is the name brand.
I'm gonna say with 99% certainty, name brand on the right, generic on the left.
Woo!
Yes.
High five.
That was super easy. Wait, where's your hand?
Yep. There we go. Yeah.
Okay.
That was so awkward. Okay.
This is not it. This is not name brand, I know.
Immediately. Immediately.
Cola.
Oh, that's way better. This one tastes like artificial sugar and like, I don't know, carbonated water.
Left has gotta be it.
I think the left one.
Yeah, the left one's the
is,
name brand.
Is the name brand.
Right is brand. Is brand right?
Correct.
Yes!
Yay!
Oh my god, we are so good at this
You're
game.
good.
Correct.
Oh!
You're wrong.
Oh.
Oh man!
Wait, where?
No.
You know what? We have to do elbow to elbow.
I actually love ketchup. I think it's one of my favorite condiments.
Yes. Have you ever had a ketchup sandwich on bread? Just like ketchup on. That's classic.
All I taste is the delicious tater tot.
Tastes like ketchup.
I'm ready to evaluate the next one. Okay. That one's a lot sweeter.
It's more tart.
It's got a nice like tanginess to it.
Tastes flat to me.
Oh, really?
Oh. The right's got a little more punch to it.
You know, I don't want to do this, but as a chef, I feel like
You know, if we just keep pretending we don't know, we can eat the whole bowl of tater tots.
I think this one is brand.
I think left is brand.
I feel like the right is name brand. I don't know why, it's just sweeter.
Yeah.
I think the name brand is the left one.
See, I think the name brand is the right one.
I guess we'll find out who's correct.
So Zach, you're right.
Oh!
You got it!
Yay!
Yay!
If you are on the fence about whether to buy a brand name or a generic product, I think we've proven here today, tater tots go best with both. So.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more episodes.